Good morning, traders. It's Chris here, head trader at thetradingmentors.com. Hope you're well. This is the early morning briefing for the 10th of May. And it looks like we've got some volumes coming back into the market, which is fantastic. We've been trading the yens this week. For VIP members, you have done ever so well. And I'll cover those in the next few minutes. Also cover the trades that I'm waiting for and the trades we've got live open right now as well. Before we go on, let's go into the gold on the price action charts. And one of the things to look out for is whenever the price, let's change that color to yellow. Whenever you come, price moves down into the buy zone, then just buy it, or you can wait for the break of structure, of course. So there's several opportunities. This was overnight, of course, but not there 3:30 in the morning, but there was a position here late last night, and there was a position here. So once you see the price moving out of this area here into this gap on the price action charts, then you can expect the price to move up from the buy liquidity area. So here, nice moves if you've got them. If you're a position trader, then we expect the price to come up to 23.71 from the long-term perspective. I posted that into the VIP room a week ago, probably. I can't remember now, but a long-term position. So if you are holding on to long-term position, this is going to go to 23.80 probably, but certainly to 23.71 in the next few hours. Congratulations, members who've been trading the yens this week. Fantastic profits this week in terms of the yen. Now, I want to cover the price action charts in particular. You can see the stepping stone effect that we have on the chart, which just helps us to guide us that we're going in the right direction in the first place, but also that we have a break of structure or change of character at this point and hitting a liquidity zone as well. The other thing to note is that the price is in a ABC pattern from a previous wave 5. So what this means is this is just a correction to the upside. So your profits are limited. Better trades, of course, are when they're in a wave 4 situation, like for example, Euro Yen. Let's have a look at the Euro Yen. This is a similar position. Of course, the yens do exactly the same thing. So just be aware the best and most profitable trades are the ones in a wave 4, and this is clearly a wave 4 going up to a wave 5. So what you can do in these instances, you can aim for 2 to 1. That's perfectly acceptable, and you'll get more profits quicker. However, you can obviously aim for the maximum 345 pips if you wanted to, and then just control your stop along the way. Similar position for the pound yen into a wave 4. Yeah, that was the euro yen. This is the pound. Yeah, they look very similar, don't they? Once they're in a wave 4, then you can obviously go for a much larger target. We've got a big target on this up here as well, 199.54. So we may well hold on to that one up here. But certainly here at 383 pips is a good number, of course, and 3.16 risk to reward. So a nice move indeed. Similar for the Swiss yen. Very quickly you can see that your target might be limited by an ABC pattern rather than a wave 4. Aussie yen. Aussie yen is in a wave 4. So therefore, this is a much stronger trend than any other one. And you could aim for the top of, or the bottom of that liquidity zone there with 254 pips. New Zealand yen, same here. There's no wave formation as such, so you can just take it to the edge of that liquidity zone there. Now the trades I am looking to trade in the next few hours are the Swiss francs. Looks like we're getting some reversals here, if I can find them. So the pound Swiss has confirmed and broken change of character, and also not in a wave 4, but that's okay. I think this is going anyway. And as we can see, the divergence here indicates a breakout to the upside. So your profits might be limited, but we would have a target here of 11500. Look out for that trade coming into the Forex signal group very shortly. Canadian Swiss, we are long this. We had a break of the trend line and confirmation from the RSI on the price action charts. So this is going higher. There's a bit of liquidity here on this, but I think this could get broken through quite easily in the next few hours to 66.88. Aussie New Zealand, again, this is showing a little bit of liquidity up here, but often we find that liquidity zones are taken out with a much stronger trend, which this could be to 60.75. New Zealand yen, New Zealand Swiss, not looking as good. Had a break up here, but not quite as clean. So we've done really well with the yens this week, many hundreds of pips, I don't know how many. And the other thing you can do, of course, is use the price action charts on the 5-minute chart. If you know where the trend is, then you can just simply wait for it to come into liquidity zone. You know that the price is going higher, so you can get a quick profit if you wanted to there. The other thing as well, you can actually see the direction here into liquidity. Show you a few more while I'm here. Into liquidity again. So there's many opportunities throughout the day to trade if that's your thing, or you can just simply do the parabolic trends and work 10 minutes a day, or you can do the swing trading options as well using the price action charts. Have a great day.